I'm so happy to get my present. Today I'm gonna unboxing with the part of family Sylvanian. Okay, let's open it. I thought it has 2 months. This one's the girl, you know what? I thought her is the girl. This one is the mom.
This is the chocolate rabbit mother's hat. Yay! Okay.
Okay, because I know her head is really chocolate.
Really? No. Okay. No mind. We just open it. Let's unbox.
Hello. Aya, can you open it?
Unboxing.
Unboxing. Here's the gum.
Okay. Excuse me.
Your nose looks like a Madonna.
Okay.
The box is really cute. Look at that.
That's cute.
That's a nice preview.
Let's take out the mother.
Oh, what's this? I know how to take out. You have to use the scissors. This one's like right there.
Look at the mother's hat. Look at the mother.
Mother. Open the screen. The side of any mother. How you really are. Here's the mother. Let me mother. Oh, this is like the noise. He's a chawan. Oh no.
The free.
Wow. Can I have it?
Yeah.
This is the
It's a
free.
side tire.
Yeah.
Okay.
So cute.
Wow.
Open it, this one.
This and open this. Hey, what's this? What
This
is this?
This is the chiller part.
Chili pop?
Yes. Oh, so tight. We have to remove the plastic first.
Oh my god, it's ice!
Oh, this is all the vegetables.
Ice! Oh!
This is lemon, cabbage, tomato, carrot,
There's one ice!
mushrooms, and cucumber. Okay, let's open this. Okay, it's water bottle.
2 water bottles! Ah! This water bottle is always this! That's
So what
right!
else we have? What is this?
It's so small!
It's like a soup, right?
You know it's a tomato.
This one's like a soup. Soup lah.
Like
And
tomato.
soup. And this one is small, very tiny tomato.
I'm gonna put this.
Okay. And this one is cup.
I don't know.
So cute cup. 2 cups here.
What is my keys?
2 cups here. And then what is this?
I feel hungry.
This is milk bottle. Right?
Yeah, it is milk bottle.
And then this is the ice cube, baby.
Yeah. I'm trying to take out this.
This is the ice cube. And what about this one?
This one can I take out?
This one, what is this?
This one can I take out?
Just take off. Okay, this is the mother.
Mother.
And this is the fish. The fish
Bunny.
is so cute and very aesthetic, right?
Absolutely.
And very this one. We have, what is this?
You know.
We have ice pack. Okay.
One new
And
cup.
then we have 2
Okay.
cups here.
This cup.
Then put at this side.
You know the iPad for the
And
car?
then I don't know what is this. I assume it's like boxes, maybe. Put inside the fish. This one.
The trouble.
Ice cube. Letak balik baby.
You want trouble kan?
Memang dia boleh.
Dia memang dia ice.
Baby put inside. Put inside. Okay, so we close this one. And then open up this one. Dah sampai kat sini. So yang ni ada milk bottle. Put here. And then ada ni. Can you take out the water bottle?
Take out the water
This
bottle.
one inside.
So hard, no?
Okay, put it here. And one more.
2 glass water.
Careful, sorry.
2 glass water. This one, you know, so hard. You
Here.
put it right there.
And this
This
one.
one there, no.
Like this. Wow. Okay. And this one.
No,
Okay, so we have what fruits? All sorts of fruits and veggie. We have carrot,
Carrot.
carrot,
Bunnies always
and
love carrot. You
cucumber.
didn't know? Bunny love to eat carrot, right?
Yes.
So her
Right.
have 5.
2 cucumber,
Cucumbers always
cabbage,
so bad.
cabbage, and 2 lemons, 2 tomato, and 2 mushrooms, and 1 cake. I think it's cupcake, right?
Yep.
Wow, so we put all these cupcake aside. We put all the vegetables and fruits inside here. Inside the chiller.
Kita jalan.
Tak.
Mama, lemon tak sour.
Okay. Alright then, put here back. You should put like this, right? Macam tu. Okay.
Do like you're doing
Macam tu.
cake.
Hello? Baby, put it back.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
You don't like that?
You close the fish. Wow,
So
so
with the
nice. Actually a sticker.
Sure, sticker.
So we need to paste this onto the water bottle and the cup. Oh, it's a caramel cup. It's an ice cream cup. And then cheese and butter.
Oh, ice cream cup.
This one. This is the sticker. This is the sticker, right?
Drinking. I forgot.
Okay. Let's paste it. Okay, I already pasted the stickers. So
This
it's
one
ready.
too. This one too. And this one too.
Right?
You don't.
And this one is the butter. Okay, and this is the cheese. And this is the milk bottle. And there's 2 ice cream here. One is caramel. And the other one is strawberry ice cream. This is so small and tiny. Right? Okay, that's about it. This is the mother and this is the daughter.
This is the daughter, you know, and this is her mother. Ibu tak
this is
nak
the
ke?
brother.
Ini mother lah. Ibu ni main petai.
Okay, betul lah. Mother, happy baby?
Happy so much!
Like your Sylvanian tu? Okay, that's Sylvanian.
Sebenarnya tu like a bully
Hold it.
enjoy. You guys are really like my rabbit of Sylvanian family, and I like
This is the mother's hat.
yeah.
Um,
Oh, but you know his family because I know it's
She.
mom. She or family. Fish
Okay.
always put it a food, right? You know, food.
Uh-uh.
You know fish has naturally.
Okay, so?
So guys, I really like my baby and my feet. Yay! Hey guys.
Then after you can play with all your Sylvanians and
Yeah.
house.
Yeah,
Your
I
Sylvanian
know.
house, right?